DevOps is needed because there is a huge movement at the moment to get software developers doing as much as they can. And it's even easier nowadays. There's less racking required because of services like AWS or GCP, or even using BrowserStack. You can just hook into some SaaS, get your product out there, and it's easy. DevOps is always appropriate. Having that mindset of how you're going to deploy that software, even if you're not the person who does it, tends to make the lives of everyone easier. It's always important to care about how your code is shipped and who's the person who's going to be woken up in the middle of the night if something goes horribly wrong. So it's always important that someone thinks about the DevOps. I like this one. This is one of my favorite questions. It's essentially, how long is a piece of string? Software testing doesn't need to be hard. It all depends on how you develop it. But then there are always going to be hard problems. And so software testing is about trying to give confidence in software. And sometimes that side of things is what is really hard. Software testing should start from the minute you start thinking about what you want to develop. You can always cut corners and write the code, get it out there. But the minute you add another person, you need to understand that that other person might not be thinking the same way as you. And when they're developing software, the software with you, they might change how things work. And then you suddenly start breaking functionality. So the sooner you get it, the sooner you can kind of get the sooner you get into software testing, the sooner you can fix problems, and then the sooner you can just have confidence in what you're shipping. I think open source means different things to different people. For me, it's about creating software that kind of betters the world, that anyone can use. There are important things that we need to be caring about and just working towards, and we should always try help each other. A rising tide lifts all ships. BrowserStack works like every large tech company nowadays. We see problems that our customers are having, we try to solve them, and then we try and make sure that everyone can use it. It's all about kind of just making everyone's life easier and making the web and mobile space just a better place for everyone. Use Nightwatch.js, a testing framework that allows you to test all aspects of your application using real browsers and real mobile devices.